Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your maths class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your maths class. So class, in our previous session, as you all know that we were doing exercise 5.5. Okay, so the exercise 5.5 is about the topic multiplication, in the exercise 5.5 we have discussed about that how to do the multiplication of 3 digit number. तो देखिए 5.5 से पहले हमने जब बाकी एक्सरसाइज उसमें हमने मल्टीप्लिकेशन विद 1 digit, मल्टीप्लिकेशन विद 2 digit नंबर, एंड नाउ इन the next topic was multiplication with 3 digit number. So that's what we were doing. Okay, so we have already done up to question number 10 from exercise 5.5. Okay, and now we will start with the next few sums from the same exercise, that is 5.5. Okay, so I'm just suffering with some cough and cold, so kindly forgive me for my voice and if it is not clear, so kindly try to cooperate with it. Okay, chaliye, so let's begin with exercise 5.5. Okay, so we have already done up to question number 10. So let's begin with the next question, that is question number 11. Okay, so let's do that. The question number 11 is 474 multiplied by 174. 474 multiplied by 174. It's not 47, 174. So now we need to multiply 474 with 174. So for doing the calculation, first of all we are going to write it in the column form. So let's write it. 474 multiplied 174. So we are going to multiply these multiplicand and the multiplier. So let's begin with the first multiplier, that is 4. So 4 तो हम इस मल्टीप्लिकेंट की जितने भी डिजिट्स हैं उससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. तो करिए 4 4s are 16. 6 1 will be carried above. 4 7s are 28. 4 7s are 28 plus 1, that is 29. 9 2 will be carried above. 4 4s are 16 plus 2, 18, that is 1896. Okay, now let's move to the second step. Now we are going to multiply this 7 with these 3 multiplicants. Okay, so let's begin with it. 7 4s are 28. 8 2 will be carried above. 7 4s are 28. 2 will be carried above. 7 7s are 49. 49 plus 2, 51. So 1 will be here, 5 will be carried above. Okay. Next, 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 5, 33. This is 33. That is 33. Okay. Next, now we will multiply the next third multiplier, that is 1. So 1 will be multiplied by all these. So 1 4s are 4. 1 7s are 7. 1 4s are 4. Okay. So let's add them. Let's add them all. 6, that is 6. 9 plus 8, 17. 9 plus 8, 17. 7. 1 will be carried above. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 4, 13. 13 plus 1, 14. 4, 1 will be carried above. Next, 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. 2, 1 will be carried here. Next, 3 plus 4, 7 plus 1, that is 8. Sorry. So, this is the product. The product is, therefore, the product is 82,476. So, this is our product. That is 82,476. Okay, so this is the solution of question number 11. Chaliye, now we will move to the next question, that is question number, okay, so let's skip, okay, now let's do question number 12. Okay, so you can pause the video for the solution of question number 11. Okay, and then we will move to the next question, that is question number 12. So let's do that. The next is question number 12. Question number 12 is 502 multiplied by 183. 502 multiplied by 183. 502 multiplied by 183. So let's multiply it. 502 multiplied by 183. So let's multiply it. 3 2s are 6. 3 zeros are 0. 3 5s are 15. This is 1506. Next we need to multiply this 8 with these multiplicand. 8 2s are 16, 6. 1 will be carried above. 8 zeros are 0 plus 1. That is 1. Okay. 8 5s are 40. 4 0 40. 8 5s are 40. Okay. Now, next we will multiply the third multiplier, that is 1 with 502. So let's multiply it. 1 2s are 2. 1 zeros are 0. 1 5s are 5. ओके, तो ये डिजिट के नीचे डिजिट लिखना इज मस्ट, बिकॉज बेटा अगर आप डिजिट नीचे डिजिट नहीं लिखोगे तो कैलकुलेशन के टाइम, एडिशन के टाइम देयर विल बी अ प्रॉब्लम दैट यू मस्ट द एडिशन शुड बी रॉन्ग, सॉरी कैन बी रॉन्ग. ओके, so addition can be wrong as well, so always write the digit below the other digit. Okay, so now let's add them. That will be 6. 0 plus 6 is also 6. 5 plus 1, 6 plus 2, that is 8. 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0, so that is 1. 4 plus 5, 9. So the product is 91,866. So this is the product. So the product is 91,866. So this is our product, 91,866. Clear? So this is the solution of question number 12 from exercise 5.5. You can pause your videos and note down the solution in your notebooks. चलिए, so let's move to the next question. So देखिए next question 13 to 18 all are same. Okay, so let's do one more question, random question. उसके बाद we will move to the 19th question that is different from the rest of the 18 questions. चलिए, so let's do one more. So now we are going to do the question number 17. So left questions, the leftover questions, जो बाकी questions रह गए बेटा, that you will do by yourself. Okay, so let's do question number 17. Okay, जितने भी questions हैं आपके रह गए हैं, okay, the multiplication वाले वो आप खुद करेंगे. Okay, so we have already discussed so many questions. I hope now you are not having any problem. So if still you are having any problem, you can all ask me during the online class. Okay, so let's do question number 17. The question number 17 is 147 multiplied by 584. 147 multiplied by 584. 147 multiplied by 584. So let's multiply it. 147 multiply 584. तो करिए multiply. So let's begin with the 4. So 4 sevens are 28. 8 will be here. 2 will be carried above. So next 4 fours are 16. 16 plus 2 18. 8 1 will be carried above. Next 4 ones are 4 plus 1. This is 5. So after multiplying 4 with 147 we got 588. Next, now we are going to put a cross here. Next we are going to multiply the 8 with all the 3 multiplicants. So 8 sevens are 56. 6 will be here. 5 we will put here. 8 sevens are 56. 6 will be here. 5 will be above. Okay, carry it forward to the next number. Next 8 fours are 32. 32 plus 5 37. So 7 will be here. 3 will be carried above. Okay, next 8 ones are 8 plus 3, that is 11. That is 11. 8 plus 3, that is 11. Okay, so after multiplying 8 with 147 we got 1176. Next, the third multiplier is 5. So now we are going to multiply 5 with 147. तो चलिए 5 sevens are 35. So 5 will be here. 3 will be carried above. So 5 fours are 20. 20 plus 3, that is 23. So 3 will be here. 2 will be carried above. Okay, next 5 ones are 5 plus 2, that is 7. So after multiplying 5 with 147 we got 735. So now let's add them so that we can get the product. Okay, so 8 plus 8, it will be 8. 8 plus 6, 14. 4 will be here, 1 will be carried above. So 5 plus 7, okay, देखिए 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 7 17 plus 1 18. So देखिए ऐसे भी कर लिया करो ताकि आपको कैलकुलेशन करनी इजी हो. That is 18 and 1 will be carried next. Okay, now 1 plus 3 4 plus 1, this is 5. Next 7 plus 1 8. So the product is, therefore the product is 85,848. So this is our product, that is 85,848. So this is the product of question number 17. Okay, so this is how you are going to do the multiplication of 3-digit number with 3-digit number. Clear? So you can pause your videos and note down the solution in your notebooks. Now we will move to the next question, that is question number 19. Okay, so let's move to the next question, that is question number 19. The question number 19 is 81 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 125. तो देखिए अब अब हमारे पास 3 डिफरेंट डिजिट्स है जिनको हम आपस में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. देखिए दैट इज 81 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 125. तो हमारे पास 3 नंबर्स है जिनको हमें मल्टीप्लाई करना है. तो देखिए 3 नंबर्स को आप इकट्ठे कभी मल्टीप्लाई नहीं कर सकते, इसके लिए आपको ग्रुप बनाना पड़ेगा. तो कौन सा कैसा ग्रुप बनाना है वो आपके ऊपर है. चाहे तो आप इन दोनों को पहले मल्टीप्लाई कर लो, चाहे तो इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई कर लो. ओके, चाहे आप इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करके जो आंसर आएगा उससे इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, या तो इन दोनों को आपस में मल्टीप्लाई करके जो भी आपका आंसर आएगा उससे इसको मल्टीप्लाई करो. सो दिस इज अप टू यू. सो विच एवर मेथड यू वांट टू चूज यू कैन. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम गोइंग टू मल्टीप्लाई दीज टू. Okay, so first of all I'll multiply 81 multiply by 4. 81 multiply by 4. Okay, so first of all, okay, so let's multiply it. 4 ones are 4. Next 4 eights are 32. So we got 324. This is 324. So after multiplying 81 with 4, we got 384. Next, अब हमारे पास बेटा जो आंसर आ गया उससे हम जो हमारा थर्ड नंबर था that is 125, we can multiply it with that. Okay, to get our answer. Okay, to get the product. So let's multiply 324 with 125. ओके, सो इसके आंसर से हमने इसको मल्टीप्लाई किया एंड देन द आंसर वी विल गेट दैट विल बी आवर प्रोडक्ट. तो आपकी दोनों कैलकुलेशंस शो करनी है. ओके, सो यू आर गोइंग टू शो बोथ द कैलकुलेशंस. सो लेट्स मल्टीप्लाई. 5 4s आर 20. 0 2 विल बी कैरीड अबाउट. 5 2s आर 10 plus 2 that is 12. So 1 will be carried above. Okay, next 5 3s are 15 plus 1. This is 16. So after multiplying 5 with 324, we got 1620. Okay, now let's multiply 2 with the multiplicand by putting across first. So 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So after multiplying 2 with 324, we got 648. कितना आया? 648. Next, let's put 2 cross here, the third step, and now we will multiply 1 with 324. तो करिए. 1 4s are 4, 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3. So now let's add them all. अब इन सबको हम ऐड करेंगे to get the product. So let's add it. That is 0, 2 plus 8 10, 0, 1 will be carried above. 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 4 14 plus 1, this is 15. 5, 1 will be carried above. So 1 plus 6 7, 7 plus 2 9 plus 1, that is 10. 0, 1 will be carried above. 3 plus 1, 4. So the product is 40,500. So the product is, so this is the product, that is 40,500. So this is our product. देखो बेटा, पहले हमारे पास 3 नंबर्स थे, हमने पहले 2 नंबर्स को इकट्ठे ग्रुप किया एंड देन वी मल्टीप्लाइड इट एंड देन जो उसका आंसर आया उससे हमने थर्ड नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई किया. ओके, इफ यू रिमेंबर दैट इन द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन वी हैव डन that the grouping of the number, if we change the grouping of the number, the product of the number will not change. तो चाहे आप इसको बस मल्टीप्लाई करो, चाहे इससे इसको मल्टीप्लाई करके आंसर निकालिए, आपका जो प्रोडक्ट है दैट विल ऑलवेज बी सेम, दैट विल बी 40,500. Clear? So you can pause your videos and note it down in your notebooks. चलिए, now let's move to the third one. Let's move to the next question, that is question number 20. Okay, so let's move to the question number 20. The question number 20 is 5 into 89 into 20. 5 into 89 into 20. Okay, again you need to multiply them. Okay, again हमारे पास three numbers हैं, so हमें आपको से multiply करना है, तो करिए. देखिए, तो सबसे पहले हम क्या करते हैं, कैलकुलेशन को इजी बनाने के लिए भी आप चाहे तो 20 और 5 को पहले मल्टीप्लाई कर लें एंड देन, सो दिस इज आपको टोटली आपको यूज, आपको जिसकी भी ग्रुपिंग करनी है यू कैन यूज फॉर दैट, फॉर डूइंग द कैलकुलेशन. ओके, सो लेट्स मल्टीप्लाई. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अगेन आई एम गोइंग टू मल्टीप्लाई दीज टू, दैट इज 89 multiply by 5. 89 multiply by 5. So let's multiply it. 5 nines are 45. 4 will be carried above. Okay. 5 eights are 40. 40 plus 4, this is 44. So after multiplying 89 with 5, we got 445. Next, now we got 445 and now we can multiply this with the third number, the number that is 20. अब हमारे पास जो 445 आया बेटा, उसको हम थर्ड नंबर से, जो कि हमारा क्या है 20, इससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे एंड देन यू कैन गेट योर प्रोडक्ट. क्लियर? चलिए, सो लेट्स मल्टीप्लाई 445 with 20. ओके, with 20. देखिए, या चाहे तो आप इसका वही जो हमने कैलकुलेशन की थी 20 जीरो वाली कॉलम के साथ, वो भी कर सकते हैं कि जीरो को एज इट इज लगा के. ओके, देखिए जीरो हम एज इट इज लगा दें. ओके, जीरो को now just multiply 2 with next number. 2 5s are 10. 0, 1 will be carried above. 2 4s are 8 plus 1, that is 9. 2 4s are 8. The answer is 8900. The product is 8900. Okay, if you want to recheck it, recross करके दूसरे मेथड से मल्टीप्लिकेशन करके प्रॉपर लॉन्ग मेथड से सॉल्व करना चाहते हैं तो आप उससे भी करिए. देखिए, आपका आंसर दोनों में सेम ही आएगा. ओके, दैट वाज 20. सो 0 5s are 0, 0 4s are 0, 0 4s are 0. Next, okay, cross. 2 5s are 10, 0, 1 will be carried above. 2 4s are 8 plus 1, that is 9. 2 4s are 8. Okay, now add them and you will get your product. So that was 0, 0 plus 0, 9 and 8. So the product is 8900. So this is our product. The product is Product means answer that we got after multiplication. The product is 8900. So this is our product, that is 8900. Okay. So this is the solution of question number 20. You can pause the video and note down the solution in your notebooks. Chaliye. Now we will move to the next question, that is question number 21. Okay, so let's move to the next question, that is question number 21. The question number 21 is 4 multiplied by 423 multiplied by 25. Okay, 4 multiplied by 423 multiplied by 25. इसके देखिए बेटा आपको मैं दो तरीके से बताऊंगी कैलकुलेशन. ओके, सबसे पहले तो लॉन्ग मेथड से जो हम नॉर्मली करते हैं उससे करेंगे. तो देन आई विल टेल यू द अनदर मेथड जो आपके लिए इजी होगा. देखिए ग्रुपिंग चेंज करके करेंगे. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इन दोनों की ग्रुपिंग करिए एंड मल्टीप्लाई देम. 423 multiply by 4. Okay, so I'll just tell you this question with two methods. दो तरह से किस तरह से आप ग्रुपिंग चेंज करके सम को इजीली कर सकते हो. तो अभी तो मैं आपको लॉन्ग मेथड बता रही हूँ. देखिए 4 3s are 12, 2 1 will be carried above. 4 2s are 8 plus 1, this is 9. 4 4s are 16. That is 1692. After multiplying 423 with 4, we got 1692. Next, 1692 multiplied by 25. Okay, so let's multiply. 5 2s are 10, 0, 1 will be carried above. 5 9s are 45 plus 1, 46. 4 will be carried above. 5 6 are 30 plus 4, that is 34. 4 3 will be carried above. 5 1s are 5 plus 3, that is 8. So after multiplying 1692 with 5, we got 8460. But still अभी हमें 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. So let's multiply it with 2. So first of all we'll put a cross here. 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18, 8. 1 will be carried next. 2 6s are 12 plus 1, 13. 3 1 will be carried next. 2 1s are 2 plus 1, that is 3. So let's add them. 0, 6 plus 4 10, 1 carried. 4 plus 8 12 plus 1 13. 3 1 will be carried above. 8 plus 3 11 plus 1, that is 12. 1 3 plus 1 is 4. So that is 42,300. So the product is 42,300. देखिए ये एक तो हमारा ये मेथड हो गया. ठीक है, यू कैन पॉज द वीडियो एंड नोट इट डाउन. अब इसी सम को मैं एक और मेथड से आपको इजीली, जो ऐसे 2 मिनट में हो जाएगा, उस मेथड से करके दिखाती हूँ विदाउट सो मच कैलकुलेशंस. ओके, सो सेम सम आई एम गोइंग टू डू अगेन बाय चेंजिंग द ग्रुपिंग ओनली. अब मैं ग्रुपिंग चेंज करके सेम यही क्वेश्चन, द आंसर विल बी सेम. द प्रोडक्ट इसका यही आएगा. लेट्स चेक इट हाउ. सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू मल्टीप्लाई 4 into 25 into 423. So first of all we will multiply these two. So 25 into 4. 25 into 4. 4 5s are 20, 0 2. 4 2s are 8 plus 2, that is 10. So after multiplying 25 with 4 we got 100. So now multiply 100 with 423. So 423 multiply by 100. देखिए इससे पहले जो हमने एक्सरसाइज 5.3 की थी उसमें मैंने आपको 100 वाले बताए थे. ओके, So just simply put the two zeros here and multiply 1 with these 3. So 1 3s are 3, 1 2s are 2, 1 4s are 4. The product is 42,300. तो देखिए 2 मिनट में कैलकुलेशन होगी just by changing the grouping, but the product is same, that is 42,300. Okay, so with this we have completed exercise 5.5 as well. I hope that you all are doing your questions. Okay, please complete your work. Okay, so for today I'm just ending this session here only, class. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then, everybody have a great day.